Markets ended Tuesday on a volatile note, with the Dow closing down 0.07%, the S&P 500 slipping 0.21%, and the Nasdaq flat at 0.01%. Today, gas prices at 18-month highs, YouTube dethroning Disney, and Amazon's $42 billion bond offering for AI and more. Give me a follow on X at n_man20 and read the full article with graphs for free at naman.lohia at substack.com. Gas prices hit 18-month highs as Iran deploys mines in the Strait of Hormuz. Another day, another oil story. But when the biggest crisis in years is showing up at the gas pump, I have to cover it. The national average hit $3.54 on Tuesday per AAA, the highest since mid-2024 and a 21% jump from a month ago, stemming from the U.S.-Israeli strike crippling the Strait of Hormuz. Yesterday, Trump tried to calm markets. Then today, Hegseth called Tuesday the most intense day of strikes yet, while intelligence began seeing indications Iran is deploying mines in the strait. WTI crude finished down 8.48% at $86.73, but briefly touched the high 70s mid-session before rallying hard into the close. That whipsaw tells you everything about how uncertain this market is. All eyes tomorrow on February CPI, median estimate 2.5% year over year. Even if it comes in cool, markets will shrug it off since the oil spike only took hold in March, making next month's report the one that truly matters. YouTube just became the world's largest media company. YouTube generated $62.3 billion in revenue in 2025, eclipsing Disney's media operations at $60.9 billion to become the world's largest media company. Alphabet bought YouTube for $1.65 billion over 20 years ago. What an ROI! Analyst Michael Nathanson values it standalone at $500 to $560 billion, more than Netflix market cap. Netflix CEO Ted Sarandos said it himself. YouTube is not just cat videos anymore. YouTube is TV. Advertising crossed $40 billion, but subscriptions including YouTube TV, Premium, and NFL Sunday Ticket now make up nearly a third of revenue, with YouTube TV surpassing 10 million subscribers and projected to overtake Comcast and Charter as the largest U.S. pay TV operator by 2027. In pure media, YouTube just took the crown. Amazon taps bond market for jumbo offering as AI spending race intensifies. Amazon is targeting $37 to $42 billion in one of the largest bond offerings ever, selling in as many as 11 tranches from 2 to 50 years, with the longest maturing in 2076 at 1.55 points above treasuries. Amazon last raised $15 billion in November, so this signals more firepower needed to fund $200 billion in AI spending in 2026 alone. Combined capex across Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, Oracle, and Microsoft hit $650 billion for 2026. Debt markets are saying yes. Equity markets are asking how long that lasts. Salesforce plans up to $25 billion bond sale to fund massive buyback. Salesforce is targeting $20 to $25 billion in bonds as soon as this week, its largest offering ever. The proceeds fund a $50 billion buyback, with CEO Mark Benioff saying the stock is at some low prices. At a $180 billion market cap, that buyback is 27% of its entire market value. Unlike Amazon and Oracle issuing bonds for AI infrastructure, Salesforce's betting buybacks are the better use of capital. Bytes. Apple now makes one in 4 iPhones in India. Apple assembled 55 million iPhones in India in 2025, a 53% jump from 36 million the prior year, meaning 1 in 4 iPhones worldwide now comes from India. Foxconn alone shipped $4.4 billion from India to the US, in the first 5 months of 2025, more than all of 2024. Apple is in talks to produce most US-bound iPhones in India by end of 2026, pushing output past 80 million units. Meta acquires Moltbook, a social network built for AI agents. Meta acquired Moltbook, designed for AI agents to verify identity, connect, and coordinate tasks on behalf of human owners. Founders Matt Schlicht and Ben Parr are joining Meta Superintelligence Labs, run by former Scale AI CEO Alexander Wang, starting March 16th. No price disclosed. Direct shot at OpenAI, whose Peter Steinberger is open sourcing companion project OpenClaw. X Money hits early public access in April. Elon Musk confirmed X Money enters early public access next month. Features include a Visa debit card, peer-to-peer transfers, 6% APY on deposits, and FDIC insurance up to $250,000 through Cross River Bank. X has licenses in over 40 states and 600 million monthly users, a base that could seriously pressure PayPal and Cash App. China exports surge 21.8%. China exports jumped 21.8% in the first 2 months of 2026, crushing the 7.1% forecast. China Northern Rare Earth is projecting profit up 117% to 135% for 2025, and the 5-year plan doubles down on export controls through 2030. U.S. firms are turning away clients, and analysts say the crunch won't ease until 2027. Thanks for tuning in. Follow me on X at @NA_man20 and subscribe at naman.lohia.substack.com.